ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್, I deliver my sincere thanks to Social Science STF Karnataka and also Santosh Kumar sir and Mahadevappa sir who prepared this PPT presentation. In this lesson, we will learn about the location, extent, size, frontiers and neighboring countries of Indian position and extension of the first lesson of geography. Let us know one by one. Location. Dear students, as you already know the lines of latitudes and lines of longitude. This is the equator or 0 degree latitude. It divides Earth into two parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The zone that lies to the north of the equator, this part is called the northern hemisphere. So, India lies entirely in northern hemisphere. This is prime meridian or 0 degree longitude. It also vertically divides India into two parts, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. The zone that lies to the east of the prime meridian is called eastern hemisphere. This part is called eastern hemisphere. So, India lies completely in eastern hemisphere, and also India situated in center of the eastern hemisphere. And India is a peninsular country because it is covered by water on three sides, land on one side, and it is also situated in Southeast Asia. The lines of latitudes and longitudes helps us to know the exact location of a place or a state and or a country. Let us know the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. The latitudinal extent. The mainland of India extends from 8 degree 4 minutes north latitude to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. This is the India's latitudinal extent. 8 degree 4 minute touches the Kanyakumari in south. This is the southernmost point of mainland of India. And 37 degree, this is 37 degree 6 minute north latitude touches the Indira Koli north. This is the northernmost tip of India. The length from Indira Kol to Kanyakumari is 3214 kilometer. If we take the entire expanse of the country, Great Nicobar, the Great Nicobar Island has Indira Point. Indira Point is the southernmost point of India. It is situated at 6 degree 45 minute north latitude. And longitudinal extent. Longitudinal extent. India extends from 68 degree 7 minute east longitude. This is 68 degree 7 minutes east longitude to 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. 68 degree 7 minute longitude touches the Goharmota of Sar Creek in Gujarat in the west, and Kibuthu of Arunachal Pradesh is the easternmost point of India. Easternmost point of India is Kibuthu of Arunachal Pradesh, and westernmost point of India is Goharmota of Sar Creek in Gujarat state. The length from Sar Creek to Kibuthu is 2933 kilometer. This is the longitudinal extent of India. Northernmost point of India is Indira Kol. Indira Kol in Ladakh region. Great Nicobar Island. Indira Point. Indira Point is the southernmost point of India situated in Great Nicobar Island. The Tropic of Cancer or 23 and half degree north latitude passes through the middle of the country. It divides India into almost two equal halves. Dear students, do one activity on this. Write the states or make a list of states on which Tropic of Cancer passes. And next, 82 and half degree east longitude. This is the Indian Standard Time. It is basis for the calculation of Indian Standard Time, and which is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich time or prime meridian. Extent: India is the seventh largest country in the world after Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil, and Australia. The total length of India is 32,87,263 square kilometer. It occupies 2.42% of the world's total area. Let's think and answer. The total area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometer. Which latitude passes through the middle of India? Yes. Tropic of Cancer or 23 half degree north latitude. Latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. India extends from 8 degree 4 minute north latitude to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude, and longitudinal extent from 68 degree 7 minute to 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. Thank you.